Hello St. Andrews School students, good morning to you all. Here is your GK teacher. I hope you all are staying home and staying safe and spending quality time with your family members. Today I am going to teach you exercise number 8 in unit number 2, that is Women Chief Ministers. Women stand out in all fields, improving their political, social, and economic status. There are many women who have served as the chief ministers of Indian states. In this exercise, all the chief ministers, women chief ministers, uh, is given with their state and party name is given here. We have to recognize the correct name with their state and party, their political party name. So here are some Indian women leaders who have been chief ministers of different states. Identify them and write their names with the help of the clue box. First one is state is Uttar Pradesh and the party is Congress. The name of this woman chief minister is Suchita Kriplani. Next is state is Assam and the party is Congress. The name is Saida Anwar Tamur. Third state is Uttar Pradesh and the party is BSP, Bahujan Samaj Party, and the name of this woman chief minister is Mayawati. Next, fourth one is state is Punjab and the party is Congress, and the name is Rajinder Kaur Bhattal. Fifth, state is Bihar and the party is RJD, and the answer is Rabdi Devi. Now come to question number 6. State is Delhi and the party is BJP, and the person and the woman chief minister is Sushma Swaraj. Next, seventh is Sheila Dikshit. Sheila Dikshit belongs to Delhi and in party Congress. Next is eighth one is Uma Bharti. Uma Bharti is from MP and the political party is BJP. Next, ninth one is Vasundhara Raje Scindia. She belongs to BJP from Rajasthan. Next, 10th one is Mamata Banerjee, belongs to West Bengal and the political party is AITC. Next, 11th is Shashikala Kakodhar. The state is Goa and the political party is MGP. Twelfth one is Anandiben Patel. State is Gujarat and she belongs to BJP. Now come to exercise number 9, that is Women Pioneers. The world's history is largely dominated by men. With strong determination, some women changed the world by breaking stereotypes. Read the descriptions and name these women pioneers from around the world with the help of the clue box. Here in this exercise, the women pioneers means the famous women's names and their description is given. So we have to read these description, and after recognizing the appropriate answer, we have to write the correct answer with the help of the clue box. So the first one is, she was known as the lady with the lamp as she worked tirelessly to help wounded soldiers in the Crimean War. Answer is Florence Nightingale. Second, she was a woman who managed to read, write and speak despite being blind and deaf soon after her birth. Answer is Helen Keller. Third question, she was a brilliant mathematician and a scientist and the founder of scientific computing. Answer is Ada Lovelace. Question number 4. She is famous for her study of chimpanzees and discovering many things about them. Answer is Jane Goodall. Question number 5. She was the first woman to fly across the Atlantic all alone and the only person to fly it twice. Answer is Amelia Earhart. Question number 6. She is an athlete and the first Australian Aboriginal to win an Olympic medal. Correct answer is Kathy Freeman. Question number 7. She was the first woman Prime Minister in the world. Answer is Srimavo Bandaranaike. Question number 8. She was the first woman doctor. Answer is Elizabeth Blackwell. So here we have completed our exercise number 9. Now come to exercise number 10, that is economic terms. This whole exercise is related with the economy, and this exercise is depend upon the crossword. We have to write the answers in the crossword. Now I am reading the heading. Economics is the branch of knowledge concerned with how wealth is produced, consumed and distributed. To improve the economic status of the country, government provides public goods and services and helps correct the market failures. We are hearing in the news also that in the lockdown period, the economy of India is falling downwards day by day. So read the clues about different economic terms and solve the crossword given below. First one is the tax charged on goods purchased within the country. Within the country. The correct answer is excise duty. Second, the rate at which the general level of price for goods and services is rising. Answer is inflation. Third, the money that is owed to someone else as a result of borrowing. Answer is debt. Question number 4. A general slowdown in the economic activity accompanied by rising unemployment? Answer is recession. Fifth, the fee paid for borrowing someone else's money. Answer is interest. And the last one is striping a currency unit of its status as legal tender necessary whenever there is a change of national currency. And the correct answer is demonetization. Now here quick quiz. One very important question is given in the form of quick quiz. The question is, what does GST stand for? Answer is goods and services tax. So here we have completed our exercise number 10. Students, do this work in a very neat and clean handwriting and then send the pics in the class group so that I can evaluate your work. Thank you.